Hi, I'm Maria, and I am a student of batch number 24, enrolled in Aamir Ahmer Academy's online digital marketing course. First and foremost, I would like to tell you that Sir Aamir Ahmer is a great instructor who goes into each and every detail and answers each and every student's query. Doesn't matter if the student is from a beginner background, an intermediary background, or is already in the field. So other than that, they have amazing support ecosystem where they have a live Facebook group as well as WhatsApp group where you can keep asking your queries as per your project, the project that you're working on, and as frequently as they come along, you can always ask these guys for help, as they are very active, and this entire ecosystem has boosted my confidence to no levels. Other than that, what I love about his classes is basically uh, the diversity of students, a housewife, a teenager, somebody who's in his early 50s and is running a business and wants to learn digital marketing. So the way he comes down to the level of each and every student to make them understand and make them practice and answer all of their queries was a wonderful thing to witness in all of his classes. And since then, I've become, of course, a fan of him, and I would suggest anyone and everyone who is looking to start a career in digital marketing, or or somebody who is looking to improve their digital marketing concepts or to further their digital marketing career, please do not think further, do not even question it, and enroll in this course and become a part of this amazing, ever growing Aamir Ahmer Academy family.